This video is going to show you how to install Loom on your computer. Note that I'm on a MacBook right now, so for those of you that are on a PC, you will need to install Loom using the Chrome extension. I've opened up self-service and I searched for Loom and then I clicked install, and now I am waiting for it to finish installing. All right, it's done. I'm going to press the F4 key on my keyboard and then look at all the different applications that I have installed. I have one here that's called Loom. I'll click on that and open it up. From there, you'll notice that a little icon popped up here. It has the same logo as you see in self-service. All right, when I first install Loom and I click on it up in my menu bar up here, you'll notice that it's going to ask you to enable some permissions. So if I click on this, it's going to walk me through a few things that happen when you try to use like your webcam and do screen recording, and it needs you to grant permission to these things. So if you click Open Security and Privacy, it should open your System Preferences app. From there, it's going to ask you for access to like your camera and your microphone. So you just simply check that. It's going to ask you to quit Loom, which is okay. It's going to ask for your microphone as well. So go in there and check that for Loom. And then one last thing, it's going to ask you to allow it to do screen recording. So you can go in here and check that box as well. Okay. So now because I had to quit the application out, I'm going to go back in and open it up. And then from there, it's going to start the application. You'll notice that a little video pops up in the corner that you can actually move around the screen if you would like. You can also choose to only record your screen, or you can only choose your webcam. So it's up to you on what you want to do there. One pro tip is that whenever you can include your face, as much as some people really don't want to do it, it can be really helpful for students to hear and see you. And it really it humanizes the idea of doing online learning. So if you can use your screen and cam, that might be a recommendation we have for you. Then you have some options here. You can record your full screen, a window, etc. You have a lot of options there. You can choose to mute your microphone if you don't think you need it. You can choose to up the resolution of the video that you're recording if you would like. 720p is probably sufficient for most purposes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit start recording. From there, you can create your video and your students will be able to view it once you hit this stop recording button over here. It does have a feature where you can use this to draw as well. So you may want to use this, and you can draw with your mouse and trackpad. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to hit this button here. It should open up Google Chrome. It will create this video for you, and it uploads it to a website that allows you to share it very easily. So I can copy this link, and anyone that has that link can view my video and watch it very easily. It doesn't require you to upload it to YouTube or anything like that, or to Canvas. You simply just copy that link. If you would prefer to embed this video in Canvas, you can do that too by hitting the share button, and then you can do the embed code right here, and it already copies that code for you. You simply go into Canvas, go into your HTML editor and paste it in. You can also, if you would like to do some more advanced editing, you can download your video as an MP4 file. You've got some other options in Loom as well that are pretty neat. So if students are playing this back, they can change the speed that it's playing back. They can give little emoji reactions to your video if you want. You can password protect your video if you would like only certain people to be able to view it. So just a lot of different options there. One other thing you may want to do is you can click here and rename your video. And then when you're all done, again, copy that link and get it to whoever needs it. So that is Loom in a nutshell.